Hey, let's make some tailgate food, some Gyro Pockets. There's a couple rules when it comes to tailgate for me. You gotta be able to hold it in your hand. It's gotta be good, but it has to be easy. And nothing gets easier than this. So first thing you need a 4 to 5 pound pork butt. You don't need to do a real big one. You can if you want. You're gonna take Malcom's Gyro Hero Greek seasoning, coat the outside of it. I didn't go with a binder today. Nice healthy coating on the outside. Don't be afraid of it. Roll it around in there, get all the seasoning. Now let's go throw it on a pellet smoker. Now we're gonna take this fat side down because we're using a Gorilla Grill's pellet smoker. Pellet smokers have a lot of heat on the bottom from the diverter plate. So we're gonna put this fat side down. Turn it down to 200 degrees and we're gonna let this go overnight. Once we wake up in the morning, we'll see where she is and go from there. After a good night's sleep, it's the morning. We're gonna check it, see how it looks. I haven't opened and done anything to it since put it on there last night. That looks good. So now we use our thermopen, check the temperature, just to double check. And it says 194. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna bump up the temp to 250. I'm gonna loosely tent it with aluminum foil. That'll help, you know, finish the cook in a reasonable amount of time. While this finishes, we'll go make the tzatziki sauce. So while the pork is finishing up, we'll make a tzatziki sauce to go with this. You need 2 cups of whole fat Greek yogurt. Don't get the skim. You need a 1/4 cup of Greek olive oil, tablespoon of red wine vinegar, dill, tablespoon of dill, tablespoon of mint, 1/4 cup of parsley. Now what I like to do is I take a garlic press whenever I can. You put the whole garlic right in here. You can put the whole garlic right in there without peeling it. I hate peeling stuff. So we're gonna go with 4 cloves of garlic. Go in with a 1/4 cup of shredded cucumber. And I like to put salt on this over a bowl in a strainer. Get as much water out of it as you can. Now we'll roll a lemon. That helps get all the juices out of it. Cut it in half. I take a strainer. That way it keeps the seeds out as best as you can. Half a lemon juice. Don't forget you need the zest off of that half a lemon. Now we'll just mix this in a bowl. Check it for flavor. You can add just salt and pepper to this, but I'm going to use Killer Hogs TX brisket rub. Then we'll add some Gyro Hero on top of that. Just a dusting. Right there. So we'll throw this in the fridge while the pork butt finishes up. Let all these flavors mingle. This got up to temp. It was at 203 degrees. Pulled it off. Let it rest on the counter for probably half an hour. Now it's time to pull it. Put our cotton liners on. Our nitrile gloves over the top so we don't burn the crap out of our hands. This looks amazing. Pull that little bone out. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice bark, good smoke ring. Just tear these. Tear up the bark here. Make nice little bites. We'll take some more of our Gyro Hero. Just season it up a little bit. Now we can build our Gyro bites. So I've got some store-bought pita. You can make your own. I have a recipe on my website. Or you can just buy these pre-made. So we'll cut them in half. Quarter them. Now open these up and we're going to take our Tzatziki. Put that all on the inside. Take our pulled pork. Put that in the middle. Couple slices of cucumber. Some red onion. Thinly sliced. Tomato. And feta. Put these down. Hold it with a toothpick. The thing with tailgate food, it has to be simple, it has to be easy, and you have to be able to hold it in one hand. Like that. Alright, let's try it. That tzatziki sauce is so good. It's got fresh mint, parsley, dill. Got fresh cucumber in there, garlic, and you can hold it with one hand. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. We got videos coming out every week. Link in the description for all the seasonings, the rub spices, the thermopen, everything. Alright, see ya. It's dinner time.